It shows that these two both can have a nice drink together, nicely.
Yeah, so they don't have to bark at each other like they normally do. Don't they, Sean?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Scruffy just drank it all!
Scruffy's finished. Is Milo nearly finished?
Yeah.
No, Milo's still got a little bit more. Scruffy. Scruff, leave him alone. Let him drink his milk by himself.
Scruff, you're finished. Oh, he's beat Milo.
Well, yeah, because Scruffy started before Milo.
No,
And
he's
unlike Milo, Scruffy's got a big mouth.
Yeah. Milo's only got a little mouth.
Yep.
So Scruffy's he's got a big mouth, so he can drink it all of it. And Milo has got a little face, and he hasn't drank it all.
Yes. Look, he's finished.
'Cause